In this video, we are going to see how we can download and install the Firefox latest version on our standalone laptop or on our PC. It's pretty quick and simple, so let's jump right in. Currently, I am using the Brave browser, but if you're using any browser, you can open up Chrome, Brave, or even when you install a new Windows, you have Microsoft Edge as well. So let's actually open up Microsoft Edge, because that is the default browser we get, and head over to the google.com, and here we will search for Firefox. We'll just write here Firefox, and this will show you the official website, that is www.firefox.com. And from here we directly click on this download option. Once we do that, we have this recommended version for the desktop. We'll select that, and if you're using Windows 32-bit or 64-bit version, you will choose accordingly. I'll just choose the top one, and we want this to be in English, and it will show you this download button. Finally, click on that, and it will immediately show you the download option. Click on save. It's only of 84.2 MB, so depending on your internet speed, you might need to wait a little bit. Now, once we have this downloaded, we click on open file. And basically it's a pretty simple installation. It will extract a set of files. We'll select yes, click next, click the standard installation, or you can choose custom if you already know the settings, what settings to make, and directly just hit install. It will only take a few seconds to install, and then we can take the launch Firefox now. Click on finish. You also have got the icon on the main desktop screen, so you can use from here as well. Welcome to Firefox. Click continue. You can save and pin as default browser, and it will do the changes for you. Actually, let's close out of here, and you can sign in with your ID. You can sign in with your Mozilla account if you already have one, or otherwise just close everything, relaunch the app, and you should be able to land on this main screen. You don't need to set it as a primary browser. If you see this message, you can click on don't show again, click on not now, close out of here, and then you should be able to fully use it like you do in a regular browser. I hope you found this video helpful, and if you did, hit the like button and subscribe to our channel, and I will see you in the next one.